In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Pay to Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open the Account Settings area, where you can manage payment features and other account options. From the Settings page, look for the Product Settings section. In that section, click Payments. This will take you to the area where Stripe lets you manage the payment methods available for your business. When the Payments page opens, select the Payment Methods tab. Here, you will see a list of the payment methods that Stripe supports for your account. Scroll through the available options until you find Google Pay. Once you locate Google Pay, click Turn On or use the toggle next to it to enable it. Stripe may immediately activate the payment method, or it may show you a few additional settings depending on your account setup and region. If extra settings appear, review them carefully. Make sure the information shown matches the way you want to accept payments. If Stripe asks you to complete any required setup steps or verification prompts, go ahead and finish those before moving on. This part is important because Google Pay may not become available until all required details are confirmed. After you complete the setup, return to the Payment Methods list and check the Google Pay status. You want to confirm that it is now marked as enabled. This tells you that Stripe has accepted the change and that Google Pay is active for your account. The final step is to test your checkout. Open your checkout flow the same way a customer would and verify that Google Pay appears as a payment option for eligible customers and supported devices. This helps you confirm that everything is working correctly before customers begin using it. If Google Pay does not appear during testing, review your Stripe payment method settings again and make sure the feature is fully enabled. You may also need to confirm that your checkout setup supports wallet payments and that you are testing from a compatible browser or device. Once you have verified that Google Pay is showing properly, the setup is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.